The Smart Fingerprint Door Lock offers a versatile keyless entry system with fingerprint recognition, app control, and backup keys, ensuring you never worry about misplacing your keys again. With the ability to store up to 100 fingerprints, this lock is perfect for families and small offices, and the app control feature allows you to manage users and monitor access effortlessly. The automatic locking feature of this smart lock guarantees peace of mind by securing your door within 10 to 90 seconds after entry, while the one-touch lock-unlock function enhances convenience. Installing the lock is a breeze, taking only 15 minutes with a screwdriver, and it fits most United States door sizes, making it a perfect replacement for existing locks. Constructed with durable aluminum alloy for the outdoor unit and a sturdy plastic cover for the indoor unit, this lock is designed to withstand the elements and provide reliable security. Backed by excellent customer support, including a 60-day return policy and 24-hour technical assistance, you can feel confident in your purchase and enjoy a hassle-free experience.